I'm working on Eli's car. He's getting a Tomei header. Here's my car. It's for sale, officially for sale. Here's Halo's car. He traded in his 2013 FRS to get an 86. What the hell is that? Oh, that's just dirt. I thought it was paint chip. Personally, I probably wouldn't have done that, but he just wanted the 86 logo and better gearing. So, good for you, Halo. But we out here, we just removed the header. This thing, it wasn't like my car. This was not a pain in the ass to get off. This was actually quite easy. All the bolts popped off. It was pretty nice. Took me about 35 minutes to get off his car. Now, as you can tell, I'm the only one here because they went to get Matt's car. Matt's actually the one selling his headers to Eli, and his open flash tablet. So Eli is about to be stage 2. It's gonna sound mean, it's gonna sound awesome, and Matt's gonna go back to the quiet life, which is kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. I probably look like crap right now on camera because I was under the car, got all this rust on my face, my hair's messed up, but hey, we out here getting it done. So the guy should be back in like 5 minutes. They went to get Matt's car and we'll finish the install. Walk around of Eli's car. He's got the TRD wheels. He's got the eBay side markers like I did, which I wouldn't recommend. It kind of suck, but hey, for 16 bucks, they'll do the job. In the rear, it's all stock, except he has some kind of exhaust. I don't know which kind, I should ask him. But pretty much the car is fully stock, automatic, looks nice as hell. I like his dash. Wow, he's got like that carbon fiber thing going. But yeah, super clean. My car is for sale, like I said before. So it's a shame to see it go, but it will be replaced by a crazy beast. Crazy beast. So stay tuned for that, guys. And here's Halo. So far he's stock. I'll probably be selling him some of my parts. I'm here waiting. I guess I'm just gonna take off these sensors. Alright, they back with Matt's car. We're about to take it all apart. Matt's about to just get wheels. Yo, for real, let's strip everything.
Let's take this wing while we're at it too.
No, we're taking everything.
Take his wheels.
We're just gonna leave him the wheels, that's it. Nah, his wheels are busted. He got curb rash.
No, we still take them and put them up on the jack stands.
Yeah, just leave the car. No, we gotta park it somewhere there. Away from his house.
At his house, let him walk home, and they see his cars on jack stands.
Fuck. Yeah, but then we gotta fucking waste our gas driving there.
That is true. Do you want me to go up front, or do you want to back it up?
Yeah, front. Man, you gotta close his trunk. Alright, that's good. We can shut it down. Oh, wow.
One eternity later.
I know they like this. Everyday party until the end of the summer. I probably have my feet up with a drink.
This guy didn't even put the clips back on.
We're going to do the same for you, yo. And then he was complaining that his fucking sensors are broken.
He didn't even did the job anyway. When I was talking to him last night.
I got the trees blowing in the wind with the clouds blowing over sunny days where you been.
Yo,
no one left to talk to, ever really
send him a message, we charge him. He asked me for too much. Be like, we'll take it off, but you put it back yourself.
Yeah, we should pick him up.
Yeah, this car's gonna be quiet as fuck. Yo, start yours up.
What?
Start yours
No,
up.
I already
Gonna be loud as fuck. Alright, we were officially done doing everything. It got a little bit late, but it only took about 2 to 3 hours, I would say. They just had to run because some bolts were missing, but yeah, cars are swapped. And this one sounds pretty amazing. This one's kind of quiet, but it's still deep enough, so I mean, Matt's happy with it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, that sounds so good. So he's got the Takeda catback with the Tomei header.